This for my ratchet and my ratchet.
Girl, why you act so? Ay, yo, your nigga is. Yeah. Ay. I don't gotta say it. Oh, ratchet ass bitch, the one to go to a nigga crib and suck his dick. And you claim that you have kids. You do? You say you gotta support your kids. You should got a job, school, education. And now these niggas what you wanna hate. Talking about how you wanna love a nigga. And talk about how niggas be the same nigga. Why you always go for the same type of nigga? Always do you wrong, call you bitches too. But you love them dudes, so you keep it cool. Looking, hoping that one day that you keep it school. But I ain't saying all females are ratchet. In fact, some of these niggas are ratchet. And they deserve to get the ass kicked. Motherfucker, y'all ratchet. And y'all niggas. Talking about the shit behind the crib, suck a nigga dick. Y'all ratchet. Saw the food, and you freaking let them be the dudes. Talking about you love nigga. You don't wanna talk. Talking. Walking up.
Look, I'm the baddest boy ever. Your girl want me, but tell her that boy's clever. Says she want the crew, I show her what we do. I'm talking about for the ratchets, and I think I want to. Two bad girls just chilling in my room. Put the zoom to the boom, click, clack, and knock a doom. And knock her to the doom, cause that's what is rocking. Beat the coochie up, and that money stay stacking. Paper in my pocket, I don't give a fuck about y'all. Beat the coochie up, and then I let her lick my balls. Choke on them. Girl, you know how it freaking goes. You ain't ready. Of course.
Yeah, swag. Yeah. I said the name's dEW. Call me that always. Nigga look at me strange, that nigga might be gay. Nigga got my gun, so I got my scrap always. Guns and I loaded it and I aim it, I'm so focused. There we get some swaggin' all day long, nigga on this shit. And I don't know what the fuck that nigga talking. Niggas who on it and walking. Young bass guys, so I'm in it like a nigga focused. Swagged out, Resident Evil. I said I killing those folks looking like I'm evil. Killing, I don't know what day. Nigga, what the fuck? Nigga ratchet all day. That bitch ratchet all day. I'm in the middle of the mall. Since a motherfucker riding, then I'm riding down the mall. Young bass guy, nigga came in, I'm a star. Got pretty people on my dick like